This is Dave Espino, and welcome back to the InfoBoss channel, where we show you how to sell your info like a boss. And in this video, I want to answer a question, and the question is, what are some of the things needed to get started with online teaching? And so I'm going to outline 4 different things that you would need to get started. The first thing you need is a really good topic. It's amazing how far you can get when you have a great topic that's in demand. An in-demand topic makes everything so much easier. If you have a topic that's not quite as in demand, that really slows you down. So you want to focus on a topic that's going to be mass appeal, or at least as mass appeal as possible, given your particular talents, skills, and abilities. So that's number 1, a high demand topic. The second thing you need is a good outline for your course. And in another one of my videos, I walk you through that whole process of how to outline your course and how to do it so you come out with an amazing course. So that's what you need for number 2, is a good outline for your course. And number 3, what you need is a screen recording software. And the one I recommend is called Screencast-O-Matic, and you can find it at a link below this video. And that screen recording software is so awesome. Number 1, it's super inexpensive. It's $18 a year. Okay. Number 2, it outputs very high quality HD video as well as HD audio. It's an awesome tool because it allows you to create tutorial videos by just recording everything you're doing on your computer screen. So you could use it to go to a website and show people how to use a website if it's an online tool, or you can use it to open up software on your computer and record everything you're doing in the software. It's awesome for tutorial videos, but it's also awesome for teaching videos where you create a PowerPoint presentation and you narrate as you go through the PowerPoint presentation. It's a very, very versatile tool that you can use to create all kinds of videos. Not only that, but Screencast-O-Matic also allows you to set up your webcam along with a PowerPoint or along with whatever you're doing. So it's in the lower corner there. You'll have a little image of you actually teaching while you're showing the screen and everything like that. So that's a really good versatile tool. And again, it's only $18 a year, which is amazing, right? And the 4th thing you'll need is a decent microphone. Now you can get a decent microphone for anywhere from $40 to $60. I use a Blue Yeti. I'll show it to you right here. It's this one right here. And that one's more in the $100 range. But really, you could get by with a good $50, $60 microphone, even a good headset that the gamers use, video gamers, and that can be good enough just to get started. So really, for about $70 or $80, you can get started in the online course business. You can create as many courses, i.e. info products, as you want, and every one of those becomes a new passive income stream that's bringing you income for years and years to come. So if you like this video, or if you'd like to know more about the online course business, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to make sure you're notified every time we come out with a new video. I'm coming out with tons and tons of content all about the online course business. I'm also going to have below this video, when it's released, I'm going to have a starter kit. It's a brand new starter kit just for you if you're getting started in the online course business. It's going to give you tips, tricks, resources, and everything you need to get off to the right start with your online course business. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next video.